right. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. All right, we were talking about some quotes about Stephen Akinta, which will position you well, and of course, help change your life for good. All right, can you just proceed with that?
So, if you are familiar with MD's Facebook Live video, that's Mr. Stephen Akintayo, you'll be familiar with this word he usually say. Two poor people can't help themselves. Two poor people can't help themselves.
All right, very important. The truth is, two poor persons cannot help themselves. How do you want to help yourself when you don't have what I need to move me to the next level, right? According to the popular and the famous quote, another one says that for you to become wise, you need to walk with the wise. These are principles that work, ladies and gentlemen. Another thing about Stephen Akinta is that it says moving from fee to free. From free to fee helps to create validation. I'm going to say that again. Moving from free to fee helps to create validation. Do you have a product, do you have services that you want to give to people? The truth is, as you're starting as a startup, as a brand that is just starting, you need to make people see what you are doing, and in order for you to be able to achieve that, you need to be able to give them for free. As you give them for free, and if that truly is valuable, if that can meet their demand, trust me, these are people that will just help you to authenticate or validate your product or your services.
So another quote that always captivates my mind is, every entrepreneur is an opportunity tourist.
Yes.
Mark that word. Every entrepreneur is an opportunity tourist. That is, you on the journey to success as an entrepreneur. You always meet challenges. You always meet you always meet
that difficulties, yes,
and a lot of things. So those things are what will help you to groom you and become a great person.
Yes. Another one it does says is every problem has a money equivalent. Ladies and gentlemen, for every challenges you're passing through, for every difficulties that you seems that is surrounded by you today, trust me, there's a money equivalent inside of it. There's a money equivalent in it if you can sit down, analyze it instead of complaining, right? Instead of you to become a fault finder, be a pathfinder, look at that thing critically, and trust me, understand that there's value in that thing that you can extract to what? To attract money for yourself, right?
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah. So another quote here I have here is smart entrepreneurs create the market before the product. Smart entrepreneur creates the market before the product. So how do you create the market? You look at the problems globally, nationally, within your area. What can you provide to them? What value can you add to them? Then create that product. Create that product that they will like you. They will see the benefit of how this thing will help them in future and now. So that's how you create that product. Create that market before the product.
Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, there's an upcoming webinar by Stephen Akintayo that you would like to be part of. There's an upcoming webinar that will transform your life. Trust me, webinars in the past has helped people a lot. We've had a lot of testimonials, and people have, of course, been reckoning with the brand Stephen Akintayo Consulting. And the one that is coming again is a program you want to tell somebody about it, right?
Yes,
okay,
yes.
Give us a hint about it.
So the program that's coming up is e-commerce/dropshipping webinar. And I'm telling you, this is going to be a life-changing program for you, because this is going to talk about how to market goods, how to import and export goods from different countries, and different great websites that you can get cheaper products and sell them in any amount you wish to make a profit. So, and this webinar is coming up on the 22nd of June. 2020. Don't miss it.
Don't miss it for any reason. Ladies and gentlemen, tell somebody to tell somebody about this, right?
Yes.
Tell your enemies about it also. Yes. Why? Because when your enemies see you progressing, when they see you succeeding, they even need to be there. Yes. Do you understand? So this is an exceptional webinar that you don't want to miss for any reason, right?
Yes. And another program is coming up on the 29th of June.
Yes.
That's if you have interest in recharging and bill payment business. Recharge and bill payment business have been growing and it has been doing well for a long time, ever since I've known it in Nigeria, and a lot of people have begun to embrace. Yes, people have been cashing out. This is not even a matter of Sinzu cashing out. Yeah,
at all.
So, and this program is coming up on the 29th of June, and you also be having Mr. Mohammed Adeleke, who is the protege of Mr. Stephen Akintayo.
Yes.
This man has made over 140 million in transaction within a year from Richard and Bill Payment. Yeah. What are you waiting for? Register at www.stephenakintayo.com/SA webinar.
Yes.
Yes.
So, ladies and gentlemen, you've heard a lot about the information of the event that is coming up right on the 22nd of June, and of course on the what again?
On the 29th of June.
On the 29th of June. A lot of mentees, a lot of proteges have been built in these areas. Fantastic. And you must also be part of success. You must also be part of progress.
Yes.
Why? Because you are destined for greatness. Why? Because you are destined to succeed. Right? So we're going to be talking about some of the products we have here by Stephen Akintayo. All right.
Yeah, so I have a book here. It's called How to Make 7 Figures from Bulk SMS. How to make 7 figures from bulk SMS. Do you know that this brand itself started with bulk SMS business? So I would suggest you get this book on Amazon. You can go on Amazon and search Stephen Akintayo and you get it, or you go to book.stephenakintayo.com and you get it. Also on all our platforms, and you can get the ebooks from us. You can contact office line at 0818 40618. I repeat, 0818 40, that's 0000618. So, give them the other book.
All right, another book I want to talk about is Maximizing Your Real Estate Investment. Maybe you don't know, Stephen Akintayo is also the GMD and the CEO of GTES Homes, a real estate company that is into real estate investment, into consulting, into brokerage, and of course, into construction, right? So there's a lot of things we do in the real estate business, a lot of things that the Stephen Akintayo does in the real estate business. We do trainings, and of course, we help people to start the real estate business from the scratch. A lot of things you can become a consultant, you can become an investor with the company. So this book is a pathway for you to get all of this information that will help you position yourself. Trust me, just like the great guys do say, real estate is one of the surest and the most reliable way to build wealth if you know the principles, and not just knowing the principles, also applying the principles, right? So this book, just like he said, can be found on Amazon. Right? So trust me, just check Maximizing Your Real Estate Investment, Stephen Akintayo, and you don't want to miss this book for any reason.
Yes. And if you need more information about the book, you can send us a mail at info@stephenakintayo.com. So I have another book here I would like to recommend to you, because this is one of the most selling books I've ever seen from Stephen Akintayo. That's Millionaire Freelancer. Yeah. So are you passionate about freelancing, working from home, picking a skills? What skills is most selling? We have copywriting skills, we have graphic design, we have web design. So all these kind of skills, you can get to learn them on this book, with this book. Yeah. So,
of course, let me just quickly say something about this book. There's a discount presently on this book. I'm offering the discount for just 10 persons who are interested in this book now. Trust me, in this era that we're in the COVID-19 season, and a lot of people are losing their jobs. The question is, do you think you can't work from home? The question is, do you think you can't make money from the comfort of your home? You can. That is the answer. And this book has created that way for a lot of people. This is Millionaire Freelancer, David, right?
Yes, Millionaire Freelancer.
Right? There's a discount for those who want the soft copy, which is the ebook.
Yes,
right. How much are we going to be selling to those who want it?
So we are giving this book on a 90% discount off Amazon.
Wait, are you kidding me? 90%?
Yes, 90% discount off Amazon, man. What are you waiting for? So grab this book, or you can send us a mail at info@stephenakintayo.com, or you can call us or chat us up on WhatsApp at 0813 40618 0818
000618. All right.
I repeat, 0818 0000618. You get that?
All right. So you just, maybe you sending us a mail or something. Just tell us that you are part of the 10 persons, right?
Yes.
If you don't use that category,
10 people alone.
10 people who watched the program live and is interested in the book, trust me, you'll be part of it because the 90% discount, right? So what other things you have to tell us, please?
So, okay, the last one is Entrepreneurship Tools. Is the book I would like to recommend for every aspiring entrepreneurs, students, and business owners also. So, well, which other book do you have there?
We have a lot of books here. We have Switch. We have Scholarship Made Easy, how to get scholarship in diaspora, the fastest way to get scholarship on study abroad. All of these books, we're not going to be giving all the highlights here. Just check the website, just check Amazon for all these books. Trust me, this book is one of the books that you want to get yourself associated with now. A lot of information, people have been duped, people have gotten themselves associated with the wrong people. Right, information is key to transformation, right? And this is why we are giving all of these things right now, David. Right? All right.
So, if you need any information about this book, you can also go to www.stephenakintayo.com and you get information about this book. And we have written Stephen Akintayo has written over 34 books, and we are still writing more books. Definitely before the end of next month, we have over 12 more books coming on board, and these books will be available on all our platforms, Amazon, BookHub, and different platforms available for you. You don't want to miss it.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, as we come to a wrap of this program, remember, consulting is an arm that will help you position you for greatness. That will help you build productivity and profitability. That's why you need to get yourself associated with the right brand like Stephen Akintayo Consulting. Yes. My name is Abiola Daniel. Thank you for joining us today on the GTS Global Show. And you are?
Yes, my name is David Ikwesiaki Kumi, and thank you for joining us today.
All right, we'd like to wrap up this show. Remember that you are the best of yourself. Remember that you can always embrace greatness and become that which you always want to. We love you from GTS Global. Bye and have a
bye.